Hey guys, Michael Hunt here with you from my hotel room in Las Vegas, Nevada. I wanted to shoot a quick video that I believe will help you in your network marketing business, whatever that may be. And because no matter what business it is, we get very similar responses when we first join a business and we want to acquire customers or in, invite someone else into this business. And that response is usually, well, are you making money yet? Are you rich yet? Okay. And you might be. I don't know what your situation is. You might be a 5, 6, 7 figure earner. I don't know. But you may not be. And if you're like most people in this industry, you don't make a lot of money right away starting out. So how can you acquire customers or acquire business partners soon, quickly, when you're not making any or just a little bit of money? So hang with me just a little bit till the end of this video, and you'll see how to respond to this, and I think this will work really well for you. Um, you don't need to do well in your business to acquire customers or acquire business partners even. But yet people will ask all the time, are you making money yet? Are you rich yet? Whatever. Before I give you my response, let me go back just a little bit to when I was about a junior and senior in high school. And I think you can go back to this time too. You might be in this time, I don't know. But when I was a junior, senior in high school, I started getting invitations from other colleges inviting me to come take a look at their campus in the hopes that I might become a student there. Some of those I looked up in the encyclopedia. For those of you who do not know what an encyclopedia is, it was essentially Google before Google was Google. Uh, but I would either look them up or I would read their pamphlets, their brochures that they would send me. I would read about what kind of a school they are, what their success rate was, what the alum had to say, what students have to say, what the faculty and staff have to say. Some of them I went and visited in person, and that's the eye openers there, is when you visit them in person. Okay, you talk to somebody face to face. The best people to talk to, for you prospective students out there or parents of a student, I think you would know, the best people to talk to about how successful, how good of a school it is, are the students themselves. They're in the trenches. They have nothing to win or lose by telling you exactly how they feel. Okay? Usually the students would say something like, "Oh man, this is an awesome campus. This is a great campus. The faculty's great. I love my professors. Uh, my major. I love my classes in my major. I'm learning so much. Uh, my chances of success are really good." They might quote some statistics to you. But I never. Here's one question that I never ever asked a student, and that question was, "Are you successful yet? Are you making lots of money in your chosen field of study?" They would just look at you stupid. Okay, they would look at you like you were stupid, and well, of course not. I'm a student. I don't have a job yet. I'm just studying. I'm learning. Or they might be, and this is always helpful, they might be an intern somewhere in their field of study, and they're doing the job. May not be making much money or any money, but hey, they're doing it. They're learning. Okay. I've never asked a student that question because that's a dumb question. Okay, they're learning. Of course they're not making. They may have been a student for 4 years. They may be a senior in college. Or if they were like me, 5 years and a senior in college. They're still learning. They're not working in their field yet. Here's the thing, guys. I didn't expect them to be financially successful, financially independent yet. Um, and since they weren't successful at that point, I obviously didn't think or naturally didn't think that the university or college that they were attending was a scam. just wanting my money. Here's the thing, guys. There are people out there spending tens of thousands of dollars, maybe leaving hundreds and thousands of miles away to become a student for 4 to 6, even longer, many more years, before they may even begin making money in their chosen field of interest. But yet, I get into a business, and a few weeks into the business, I invite somebody else to take a look at this. Hey man, this is a great company. You should take a look at this. You should read up on this. This could be something for you. And then I get the question, are you making money yet? Are you successful yet? Are you rich yet? No. I'm a student. Okay? Guys, here's your response when they ask that question. No, of course not. I'm a student. I'm learning. And I'm learning a ton. But I am making some money. I'm learning, I'm earning while I'm learning. Okay? That doesn't make the company a scam company. I'm learning. Don't worry about not making money and having to make a lot of money before you approach someone to be a customer or a business partner in your business. You're a student. You're learning. Now, give me a few years. You will probably see a huge change in my bank account. Maybe even in just a few months. But for right now, no. I'm a student. I'm learning. I think you should take a look at this. I think you might want to become a student of this too. I think you might want to invest a little bit of money into this education. It's nowhere near tens of thousands of dollars. At least I hope not for your business. But in the business I'm in, it's a couple $100. Take a look. This just might be for you. Okay? So I just want you to think about that. Don't feel intimidated that you have to make a lot of money in order to approach someone about being a customer or being a business partner. You know, you're a student, you're learning. That's okay. And it's okay to respond that way. No, I'm just learning. I'm a student. I haven't made that much money yet. I am earning some. So don't be afraid. Invite them to learn with you. Okay? So just wanted to, I hope that helps. I hope that helps some of you. I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you become a little more comfortable, a little more confident in yourself. Don't be afraid to be a student. Don't be afraid to tell somebody else you're a student. Don't be afraid to tell somebody you're learning. That's okay. Invite them to learn with you. And let's grow together. Let's succeed together. All right? Have a great day, guys.